Welcome, and thanks for watching this training video on customizing your site's dashboard using the Rosie Control Panel. By updating the products and language on your e-commerce site, you can create a more cohesive experience for your customers, similar to the experience you customize in your store. Let's begin at home.rosieapp.com. This page was created to house all the links you need to access in the Rosie ecosystem. To access your Control Panel dashboard, click on the Control Panel link. You have now been brought to the Rosie Control Panel, where you can see a menu bar along the top of the page. By scrolling over these menu options, you'll see options populate below. Since this video is focusing on your store's dashboard, let's go over a few things specifically. You'll notice a selection in the menu bar titled Marketing. Depending on your tier and permission level, you may or may not see all the options in the drop-down. However, if you have access to the control panel, then you should be able to see Marketing and the Announcements link. Announcements are a way for you to connect with your customer when they first visit your e-commerce site. There are two types of announcement panels. The first is new user walkthrough panels, which only appear on a user's first visit, and the second is general announcement panels, which appear to returning customers. Announcement panels can be used to update shoppers about changes to your program, inform shoppers about events or promotions, and more. To create an announcement panel, click New Announcement here. Here you can add a title, a message, start and end dates, and images. Create one now to see how it looks on your site. The next thing you may see in the drop-down is banners. Only professional and enterprise stores have access to create custom banners. If you have this permission level, you'll be able to change the category banners on your Rosie site. You can read more about this in the Rosie Help Center. Up next in the marketing drop-down is an option called Collections. Stores with marketing panel access will be able to create groups of products to feature on their panels. Even if you don't have marketing panel access, you'll be able to create a collection of recommended products to feature on your dashboard. Simply click Edit if your collection exists, or click New Collection to create one. Collections may include your best-selling products, seasonal products, products needed to complete a recipe, or any other group that you'd like to create. In this case, we'll click Edit to view and change our recommended products. As you can see, products in a collection have a priority, which determines the order in which they're shown. To add a new product to the end of this list, you can click Add New Collection Product and select a product from the drop-down. You can also add a category banner, but this will not be displayed unless your store has marketing panels enabled. Marketing panels and custom category banners are only available for Rosie Professional and Enterprise stores. Now that our collection has been created and updated, we need to make sure it's displayed on the site. To do this, you can go to Products Recommended in the menu bar. By creating a new Recommended Products list and attaching our collection to it, the list will be displayed on your store's dashboard. As you can see, it's already been set up for this store. By clicking Edit, you can see all the necessary details, which include a start date. If you'd like to, you can include an end date for your recommended products, which means that you can also schedule them ahead of time to change weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Under Marketing in the menu bar, you may also see Heroes and Panels. If your store has marketing panels enabled, you can use this selection to update your dashboard's Hero panel and to add additional panels to advertise your collections or product categories. Under this selection, you may also see Weekly Ad Manager, depending on your permission level. If your store runs a weekly ad, Rosie can work with you and your point-of-sale provider to convert your ad to a clickable image for customers. Lastly, I'd like to go to the store's dashboard to review a few other settings. You likely worked with your onboarding agent during setup to change your store's logo and to enable or disable a most popular section and a sales section on your website. If you'd like to make updates to these settings, you can reach out to your Rosie contact. Here you can see that this store has most popular and sales enabled, and there's no weekly ad enabled, which you'd see at the top of the page next to shop departments. Also, the addition of a sales category adds a link at the top of the page where customers can view all sale items. You'll also notice the recommended items section, which we reviewed earlier. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice my favorites, which are unique to each customer. For more information about anything you've seen in this video, please check out the Rosie Help Center. You can find the Help Center at home.rosieapp.com. Click on the link titled Help. Thanks so much for watching this video on customization of your e-commerce site dashboard. Please reach out to the Rosie support team, your onboarding agent, or your account manager if you have additional questions.